Hello guys, welcome to the 19th day of Christmas DIYs, and today we are making a super cute and interesting DIY. I hope it works out. We are making a little cork reindeers. For this you will need 4 wine corks. Try to find the similar ones, and you will need 2 for 1 reindeer, and we are making 2 reindeers, so we need 4 in total. You will need pins, red pins for their noses. We have red ones in here. You will need 2 red bows to tie them a bow around their neck. And this is like burgundy, it's not totally red, it's very beautiful color. You will need something to stab the corks. I will be using this tool. And you will need this to cut the branches. I have branches different sizes and different thickness. I already tried to make this with these thinner ones, but they break and they're just not sturdy enough for the reindeers. So today we will be trying to do this with these thicker ones. We will see how it goes. First thing that you need to do is to stab a hole, but not near the end of the cork, but somewhere here. At one side you will need a branch to connect it with the body. And on the other side, you will have 2 horns getting up to his head. So we are working on the head first, okay? So this side needs to be like only smaller. But this side needs to be like wider so 2 horns can fit in. So try to make like 2 holes. And not to break a cork. This one is thinner, so let's try with that one. And we have 2 of those for the horns, so make them the same length. For 2 reindeers. You can cut these parts so it's easier to go through the cork. So let's try that one. You need to stick it out enough to stick it to the body. So to finish the head, you need another horn. So find another horn similar thickness, yeah, and just measure it. So it should be something like this, and just stick it on the top. This doesn't have to go through the cork, just to sit there on the top with the other one. And the horns need to be like in a V shape. Yeah, something like this. This is the head and the horns. This now goes to its body. Now you will take the other cork and you need to stick it on the top of the body, okay, like this. So this is the head, this is the top of the body. As you saw, it's pretty thick one, so you need to like make a big hole. And you just stick it to that hole. And you push it until the end. So he has just a little neck, you know, he doesn't have to see much, just a little neck. So this is how it looks like for now. And now we need to do his legs and the tail. We can do the tail first. You need to stick a hole like at the end here, but not too deep. You just stick it into his little butt, okay, like this. And now we need to do the legs. Legs are a little bit complicated because you need to make 2 holes here and 2 holes here. Try not to hit the middle ones from the body, okay? Don't go too deep, so just 2 holes. legs now. And his little tail. Now we need to bedazzle him. So we will put him a nose. You take a red needle. You can glue a bead if you want, but I really didn't want to glue it. Just take a red needle and cut it. But please be careful that this part that you cut, you just immediately put in the garbage. You put it here on top. Like this. Oh, that's so cute. And you put him a little bow. He needs to stand, so if the legs are not placed well, we will fix him up. Yeah, and then we're gonna put him a little bow around his neck, like this. It's so cute. I think this is my favorite DIY. I will insert photos when I finish second one. But this is how he looks like. That is so cute. If you want, we can put him some eyes. Maybe we should put him like blue eyes. Yeah, oh my god. Which one is nicer? This one. So I will try to use some other type of tool because it was so hard to cut it, like this one. I use this for the, yeah. So you have like, make the eyes. We will need 4 eyes for 2 reindeers. I hurt myself a lot since I was a kid because I made those DIYs and just all over my room, all the metal parts and everything. It's just tragedy. So please, when you cut this, just immediately into the trash. And yeah, those are the eyes. So let's try out the eyes. We will put them here. I think it's good. Oh my god. I think that's so cute. Oh. It's the cutest DIY ever. I love it. This is so cute. So yeah, these are our little reindeers. Let's do the other one. I will speed it up. So these are the end products, and you need to like make them stand. They're a little bit heavy on standing because their head is pretty heavy, but I think it's manageable. Yeah, it's manageable. You just need to like make them stand, you know? Look at them. So cute. Would you try to make them? If you try to make them, please DM me, send me the photos. I want to see them. Super cute. I'm very satisfied with this DIY. It did take a long time. I needed like 45 minutes for two of them, and I need a lot of effort to find the branches of right thickness. These ones are the right thickness. If they're thinner, they always break, and if they are thicker, you just cannot pull it through the cork, or the cork breaks. So I had a lot of issues with this DIY, but this is the end product and it is so worth it. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for the 20 day of Christmas DIYs. All my social networks are in the description down below. Stay safe and sound and find your inner ground. Bye!
Thank you.